Let's talk about your recovery care plan. You might be thinking, what is my recovery care plan? Your recovery care plan starts with a simple meeting between your recovery care coordinator and/or your non-medical care manager. Whether face-to-face, virtual, or over the phone, this meeting helps you, the airman or guardian, set goals for your recovery. The first step of any process is the hardest. It's especially difficult if you don't know what to do. You might be asking, what do I do? That's where we come in. We show you the path and provide assistance along the way. For example, we can point you in the right direction if your goal is to pursue higher education. We don't give legal advice, but we might recommend something like updating your power of attorney. Our support programs are vital to your recovery. We connect you with programs like EIT, community programs, adaptive sports, our ambassador program, R.A.M.P, Caregiver, and resiliency. Click on the links below if you want more information about these programs. Hopefully, you now know how AFW2 is here to help during your recovery. Thank you, and remember, AFW2 is here for you.